Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, June 24th, 2024, and we're looking to go up with QQQ.
Order fill.
H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, but we expect the price to accelerate past this area. We might get a $2 run or better on this. We'll see what happens when the next retrace comes into play.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move. Now, based on how we got to this present location with speed and violence, there is a statistical high probability that we will try to come back to the high of the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in $1.25, and we're going to allow this to play itself out and see if we encroach on the high of the day area. And if that's the case, we'll move our stop up, but we're going to play it bar by bar. I still believe, based on the statistical probabilities I'm seeing with price, that this will continue to go up. Based on the strong impulse, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure. So we went up in impulse, we came down in corrective. If we just copy the original impulse, we can get a projection into the future. If it's 100%, leg 1 and leg 3 are equivalent, we're looking at about a $3 move, and that's going to put us around the area where the 200 moving average is on our 1 minute, roughly around our 50 to 200 on our 2 minute, and then we're looking at about a 21, 36, 50 conglomeration on the 5 minute chart. So because we went up with speed and violence again, I'm going to say that we're going to go up, we're going to pull back again, and we might do our very best to get up to this projected area. If not, as it's encroaching where we would see a $3 move right here, right there. So we're going to lock in that $2. We're going to see how this pans out. Again, because of the speed and violence, it's rising. I think we're going to go up. We're going to take a pause, have a pullback again, and try to make our way up to that targeted area. If we do and we fail, you'll have an inverted H moving average bounce setup. And as you can see, I believe that this is going to be the end. This is a corrective wave. I believe we'll explode back up. And on that last explosion, I expect it to get to the high of the day, if not that $3 marker. If that's the case, we'll close our position out. We're still locked in for $2 guaranteed right now. So because of how long this has been in a corrective wave, statistically shows me that we don't have much left in the tank for this move. So we might come off and try it again, but that's not the point. The point is we had two strong impulse moves. I believe that this impulse move is not going to be as strong as the first two. So with that being said, is again, if it gets to the high of the day, maybe that $3 marker, we'll just close into that position, because it does look like it is starting to form an inverted H. And if it gets all the way up to the 200 moving average, you're looking at an inverted H moving average bounce to the downside.
Order fill.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Patience paid. A $3 move in about 20 minutes today.